Hello everyone. So today I'm going to demonstrate the AI chatbot built using Node.js, TypeScript, and Postgres database SQL for the backend. So for the front end, I have used the React MUI components. Now, as we can see that my project is structured look like this, and yeah, here we can see the env file example. And if we go to readme.md file, we get the installation quick start, like how to restart and install the application, how to set up the database, how to set up the project, as well to start the server and test the APIs. So this readme.md is very critical document for the setup and to run the project in this node server. Yeah, that's all for the backend. Now for the front end, if I go to readme.md file, and it's here we can get the features as well the setup guidelines, and that's all. Now if I go to the chatbot, and we can see that backend server is up and running, and the front end is running as well. Now what I'll do, I will give the type command like hello book flight FL 102. Okay, I will make it capital case 102 Delhi to Mumbai for John Joy and tomorrow at AM. So let's say if the chatbot can book the flight or not, but it will book the flight, and it will take some time to respond the flight. And I have used the open source AI Llama, and for the AI chatbot framework I have used the Vapi AI. Also, it support both the audio plus text for the chatbot, and the chatbot is mainly focused on booking the flight, and it will give the total amount of the flight which we have booked. So yeah, let's say it's loading. It take times, but it will definitely book the flight. And as well I can give the voice command after the text command will be executed. Now, so yeah, this is how my project is structured look like. I have put it all the DL file and the extension regarding the whisper piper and ffmpeg. So these are the crucial file we can find on the internet, and we can put it in bin file. And here we can see that it says that I would be happy to help you book a flight, and it's give the clarification about the detail and the passenger name. So tomorrow correct, and use tools to search the flight availability. Yes, and there is great option. There is flight 103 departing 7 and to Mumbai 10. Which one flight would you like to? So this one is asking for the flight which one we like to book. So I will give the command to book flight 105. Okay, book flight FL 105. And yeah, let it execute, and from here we need to also put this JSON and this bin, this ONNX file in the model directory, and from there we can easily integrate with the AI. And for the front end, everything looks fine, and that's all. Let's say if it's still loading. So yes, I would like to say that the backend is running on Express and also the Node.js. So the Node.js is single-threaded server-side rendering. And yeah, now here we can see that I have gone ahead and booked flight for Zondoi. You are all set to fly from Delhi to Mumbai, successfully booked for tomorrow at 9 a.m. So the travel date is 25th February 2026. Okay, so and yeah, so these are the details for the flights, and I asked to book for tomorrow, but it says that on February 2025, which is good. And I can give the voice command as well. Let's try with voice command. Hello, I would like to book a flight for FL 103 Delhi to Mumbai for uh, John Doy tomorrow at 9 a.m. And let's okay, that's all. So it will translate our voice, and it's thinking, and it means it's searching for the flight. And as soon it's find the flight, and it will notify us with the total cost and something like that. Also, I have provided the comprehensive document for the front end and for the back end as well. Nevertheless, I have provided the documentation for the project setup, how we can set up the front end, back end, and how we can integrate with the Olama Open AI. Okay, now let's see. So it's still thinking. Okay, okay, fine. And here we can see that I would like to happy to book a flight before I start searching for the flight. So okay, it's asking to sort the flight and travel date, which is correct. And yeah, here are some 103 departing 7 a.m. So it's giving the time for 7 a.m. and arriving 8:30. So departure, and these are the times. So now source result, and it gives the price. Now I will say what. Okay, fine. Book a flight 103 7 a.m. tomorrow, Delhi to Mumbai. Thank you. And let's see if it will confirm the ticket or not. Currently, it's yeah, it's thinking. And here we can see that if I give the voice command to chatbot to book the flight, and let's say it's come like the pop-up comes here. So finally we are last stage to confirm that the flight for Delhi to Mumbai must be booked. You the flight booked through the AI chatbot. Yeah, here we can see that I have gone ahead and